I will give you the secrets that will make you forget forever being poor. In this life is not how much money you have decides whether you are poor or rich. Of course, if you reach some amount of money, like for example over $10 million, you will be very rich. But in reality, believe me, with a normal salary, you can become rich easily. The problem is not in how much money you make, the problem is in how much money you spend. If you spend money less than your income, then you are absolutely rich, whatever is your income. I'm going right now to give you the most important advice in your financial life. Spend less than you make. Stop financial bad habits like going out, buying coffee for $5, buying food for $50 or $20 for such restaurant. This food is unhealthy, is not good for you. Why are you doing that to yourself? Why are you buying snacks, buying drinks, buying a lot of sugar, buying a lot of fat with a lot amount of money? Save your money, go to supermarket and buy some good and healthy and cheap food. Do your cup of coffee at home because it's way cheaper. Start understanding the value of the money that you make. You are making a lot of efforts to make this money. Don't let businessmen, large companies and marketing steal your money. If you save like $5 every day from your initial spending, that means by the end of the year you will have $2,000 in savings. The most important is not how much you save. The most important actually is to know how to live with an amount of money less than the amount of money you make. This idea will lead to financial security, the most important thing in life. You will forget stress, you will forget bad habits, you will forget health problems, you will forget everything. Learn how to get dopamine from free activities like making an hour walk, thinking alone with yourself to improve your situation, making for example a business model that makes you more money than you can improve your situation, and try as much as possible to save money, because when you save money you become able to invest money in assets that give you free cash flow, a cash flow without any effort.